would say welcome back to my layout, but as you can tell, we're not at the layout. I'm actually sitting in front of my computer, and just wanted to give a quick, this is just a general channel update. For the most part, when I started this channel, I was going to actually just do videos on some model railroading videos, some videos on virtual pinball, and as well as retro gaming. These are my three main hobbies and things I like to do. This is one of my hobbies is retro gaming, but as you can see, I also, like virtual pinball as well. So, and I play like retro games and virtual pinball on my computer here. I also have dedicated machines. I had some videos on this channel, basically, outlining my one virtual machine build, my one virtual pinball machine build. So basically, the reason why I want to do this quick video is because virtual pinball, retro gaming, model railroading, while they're my hobbies and they may not be, they really don't kind of all link together very well. Virtual pinball, retro gaming kind of do, because they kind of, it's all about arcades, but model railroading isn't. So I decided to basically break this channel up. Instead of it basically being about model railroading, virtual pinball, and retro gaming, I created brand new channels that are going to be just strictly on virtual pinball and retro gaming. And this channel here is going to be exclusive to just model railroading. Most of the subscribers that I've had to this point, I believe are interested in model railroading. But if you were subscribing to this channel and your interest was in virtual pinball, then I recommend checking out my my new virtual pinball channel, and I'll have a link in the description to it, as well as my retro gaming channel. And all of the videos can be seen no matter what channel. All of them can be seen on my website, JINO0372.com. So whether you're interested in model railroading, virtual pinball, or retro gaming, if you're interested in all three, I recommend just going and checking out the website, because all the videos will be there. But just so you know, that's where this is going, and I just figured it made sense, to do that. So anyways, I am going to be posting some more videos on virtual pinball and retro gaming. I have a video that I'm going to be posting pretty soon on retro gaming, which is basically centered around a single board computer called a Raspberry Pi. And it basically will it's a how-to video on how to take the basically all the pieces, parts, and build in a little home arcade machine that you can play thousands upon thousands of retro games, like 12 to 15,000 retro games. And I'm also going to be doing a video on virtual pinball, mainly with visual pinball, and how to use it in interface such as this. This is basically what's called Big Box. It's part of Launchbox. So I'm going to do a step-by-step beginner's guide to Visual Pinball X, and how to get it integrated with Launchbox to use it on your PC. So that's what we have upcoming, and please continue to subscribe to my model railroading channel, and I hope you subscribe to my other channels as well. Thanks. time to play some pinball.